classy, modern, and powerful down to every detail. Join me as we step into the world of top-tier forestry machines, where sharp chainsaws conquer even the largest tree trunks. Ready? Let's go! Wow! The 352,000-pound crane is truly impressive with its super powerful engine, hundreds of horsepower, easily handling the grafting of massive camphor trees. Combined with the versatile pickup truck, even the heaviest tasks become a breeze. Watching the giant machine with its hundreds of horsepower engines drive steel blades deep into the ground, lifting entire tree stumps effortlessly, is truly spectacular. The mechanical power makes heavy tasks feel light as a feather in just a few minutes.
Ten drenaż położyć, który będzie zapewniał należyte dostarczanie wszystkich składników.
It's truly impressive to witness an 80-level chainsaw with a powerful engine and dozens of horsepower cutting through massive logs. Each cut is smooth and precise, like a razor blade, showcasing the superior power of the modern machine. Oh, don't blink. This sight will definitely not disappoint you. The most dangerous task of felling large trees is done with a chainsaw equipped with a powerful engine, dozens of horsepower, delivering sharp, powerful, and precise cuts. You can't help but be impressed by the Tiger Cat 860, a massive machine with a powerful engine and impressive horsepower, easily conquering even the toughest swampy areas. With its superior strength, it can fell large trees and navigate challenging terrains, making the job faster and more efficient. Leave a like or subscribe if you're fascinated by these powerful machines. Let's explore their amazing strength and outstanding capabilities. You can't help but be amazed by the John Deere 1170G, the fastest wood cutting machine I've ever seen, with a powerful engine and exceptional horsepower. Its sharp blades and impressive speed handle large timber in an instant, delivering high efficiency and saving time. The lumberjack with the little harvester is performing the job excellently in the forest. The powerful chainsaws with exceptional engines and horsepower not only cut wood quickly but also continue to amaze me with their efficiency and strength. I couldn't believe my eyes when I saw the steel MS 880 with its 59-inch bar facing a large oak tree. With its powerful engine and exceptional horsepower, each cut is like a powerful punch, splitting the wood in an instant, making the job both dramatic and impressive. Oh my god! If these sights get you excited, don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. It's these moments that are the secret ingredient that keeps me motivated every day. The first wood chips are processed by the powerful machinery for the Hargessner boiler, with a high-powered engine and exceptional horsepower. This machine easily crushes the wood into small pieces, preparing them for an efficient combustion process, providing sustainable energy. It will definitely impress you. The TMK 300 tree shear mounted on a compact tracked excavator, with a powerful engine and exceptional horsepower, cutting trees efficiently. The perfect combination of flexible design and mechanical power makes tree pruning fast and precise. Next is the side of the powerful wood crusher, with a high-powered engine and exceptional horsepower. Massive logs are quickly crushed into small fragments, efficiently and precisely, demonstrating the superior strength of modern technology. Oh, it seems these machines are more than capable of operating in extreme weather conditions, even when snow and rain are falling. Their power and durability are truly impressive, unaffected by any challenges posed by nature. I can't take my eyes off the Debarca Raver WD-1400, an incredibly powerful debarking machine with a mighty engine and exceptional horsepower. It easily tears through the tough bark of wood, delivering quick and precise results, making the job more impressive and dramatic than ever before. Watch as the powerful machine with a high-powered engine and exceptional horsepower transforms a large pine log into a perfect timber. Step by step, the machine cuts, shapes, and mills the pine wood with precision, producing a high-quality product with excellent efficiency. With a powerful engine and impressive horsepower, the sawmill cuts large Sippo logs into precise and efficient live edge boards. The cutting heads are protected with a wax-based spray to prevent drying cracks. Afterward, the log is cleaned with a pressure washer and cut into live edge slabs using a bandsaw, creating a perfect product. Can you imagine the T659 Kenworth, with its powerful engine and exceptional horsepower, driving through the rugged Rangitikei hills, transporting tons of timber? The truck moves steadily through sharp bends, showcasing its power and outstanding performance on challenging terrain. You can't help but be impressed by the Comptech KC18 biomass shredder, equipped with a powerful engine and impressive horsepower, easily handling large logs and tough biomass materials. A machine's superior power quickly crushes, delivering high efficiency and saving time in wood processing tasks. The loader at US Steel Limskelp K, with its powerful engine and exceptional horsepower, handles wood quickly and efficiently. Its stable operation enables it to lift and move heavy logs, optimizing the production process and ensuring high productivity in harsh working conditions. Even in harsh weather conditions, the LP49 with its powerful engine and impressive horsepower operates at full capacity. This machine easily drags logs across rugged terrain, demonstrating its superior strength and efficiency, even in the most challenging environments. Let's explore the Samokhvalov with splitter, equipped with a powerful engine and impressive horsepower, working efficiently and easily handling large logs. Each split is precise and powerful, boosting productivity and saving time. Watch the entire video to witness the power of this machine. Not to be missed, the Lezerub sawmill, powered by strong gears and operated by a team of 4, is running at full capacity. With a powerful engine and exceptional horsepower, the machine easily processes large logs, producing perfect boards, enhancing work efficiency and saving time. Truly impressive, The Excavator sawmill, with its powerful engine and remarkable horsepower, is the ideal solution for mobile firewood processing. This machine can cut and split wood quickly and precisely, boosting productivity and efficiency right on outdoor job sites. You'll definitely be amazed. The Steel MS-881, with its 1.7 meter bar and 8.7 horsepower, is an incredibly powerful chainsaw. With its outstanding engine, it easily handles large logs, delivering fast, precise, and efficient cuts.